Yes, hello. Good afternoon. Welcome to Global Watch Media. I don't know, in the middle, a Gyal Sqaure. You see me? In a Gyalhattan. The middle of Gyal Sqaure with it. In a Gyalhattan. Alright? Look on the jumbo chan there. All over the place. In the middle. A Gyal Sqaure. The whole place look like this. Packed, crowded. All around. Yeah man, as you can see man. Like I say, we're in a Gyal Sqaure. Them call it Timequare, but we are Jamaican, so you don't know, so a Gyal Sqaure say. And we not got a Manhattan, we got a Gyalhattan. So we're in a Gyalhattan, a Gyal Sqaure. You see it? Yeah man, big up on yourself, because I don't know the thing already, At the Shreps, at the knockings. Yeah man. We're there. Out and bad. We don't know a yard man knocking still, Anywhere we go. I saw the thing have to go. We don't know the thing still until we are step. Boom, 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 boom. Straight knockings. Moulin Rouge. I guess this is where they call where all the players and all kind of thing happen down here in a Gyalhattan, in a Gyal Sqaure. You see me? Yeah man. Like the place busy still right now. As you can see. That's the famous stage where everybody be dancing at in the night. Nobody's out here right now, everybody asleep. I guess them stay up late last night on a party. I'm probably the only YouTuber that's in New York that don't come down here and come do them, the look of dance them when we see them do on the stage and wait them there. You know what I say? But shout out to them though, because they can't knock progress. Yeah man, we just a different type of YouTuber because we don't do certain things, you see me? Because we have image for hold up. You see me? Yeah. We don't deal with kids thing when I come to YouTube. So big up to the youth them. With the out here and a grind, and the girl them. With the out here in the night time, in a Gyalhattan here, in a Gyal Sqaure, and a grind. Big up themselves, alright? From one YouTuber to another. Now go and do nothing, youths and girls are man and woman, and you go and do nothing. You see me? Whatever one is, youth or girls, man or woman, and you keep doing anything. You see me? Keep pushing on. You see me? I support you 100% because you don't know we are sharing the same platform. So I support you 100%. So big up on yourself, alright? Just there I go through the whole place. As you can see, Lion King, Mufasa. This is where it's at. This is the big bad Broadway, where you see all the places happening. As you can see down the street, the other place that's taking place. You know what I mean? This is the main entrance for Lion King right here, Paramount. The whole place crazy right now. Everybody out here flip. I'm sorry. As you can see, and there's a filming camera. Everybody a flip. Everybody a flip. You see me? I don't know the chefs go.
I had like
What store is this? I guess this is a Hello Kitty store. So for all of the young people then, you see me? Yeah. Somebody tell me, is this a luxury brand of watch? It's called Tissa. I don't know. It's the first I ever seen them, but they look like they're from Swiss, so they gotta be expensive watch. So, Tissa. All right.
questions. They have a show tonight at 7.
Yeah, man. As you can see, man, the whole place busy right now.